Going to study about the Proteus simulation of interfacing of 8051 microcontroller with stepper motor. So we will start with the basics of stepper motor first. So how to interface the stepper motor. Before that we will try to study about the internal structure of stepper motor. Stepper motor consists of 4 stator windings: winding 1, winding 2, winding 1 dash, winding 2 dash, and it consists of, at the center it consists of a rotor which is having north and south pole. Stepper motor is an electromechanical device which converts electrical pulses into discrete mechanical movements. Stepper motor rotates its rotor in terms of the steps. So if suppose I am exciting winding 1, rest of the windings are de-excited, then my rotor will point at winding 1. Similarly, if I am exciting 2, then rotor will point at winding 2. If I am exciting 1 dash, it will be pointed at 1 dash. If I am exciting 2 dash, it will be pointed at 2 dash. So likewise, it can be rotated from this position to up till this position, and once again it will come at the initial position. So you can see the working is explained with the help of this diagram: phase A, phase B, phase A dash, phase B dash. So we can excite the windings likewise from phase A, phase 2, phase 3 to phase 4. Stepper motor can be rotated into 2 step sequences. One is half step sequence, that is with the step angle of 45 degrees. That means the number of steps are 8, because the total rotation will be of 360 degrees. Then second one, it can be rotated in full step sequence, that is 90 degree step angle, and the number of steps will be 4. The table shows us the half step sequence. We can excite the stepper motor stator winding in this manner. First we can excite winding A, then followed by AB, then followed by B, then A dash, likewise till the end. So we have to put this hex values, we have to send these hex values to the port to which we are going to interface the stepper motor. Similarly for the full step sequence also, the table is given for the step 0, step 1, step 2, step 3. We can excite winding A, then followed by winding B, winding A dash, winding B dash. So these are the hex values which we are going to load onto the port of 8051 microcontroller. So this was the just basic related with the stepper motor. Now we will go for the Proteus simulation of the stepper motor. I will go into the Proteus 8 simulation. To know more about the basics of Proteus simulation, you can watch my video, that is LED interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. In that I have explained the Proteus steps in detail. So here directly I will go for the stepper motor. I will give some name to project. Okay, so I have to select the component, type the keyword as 8089C51RD2 microcontroller. I am going for this microcontroller. I will just select this from this P icon, then I will go for the ULN2003. So this IC we have to use as a current booster IC, because we cannot drive the stepper motor directly from the microcontroller. So this IC will act as a current booster IC. Then we have to select the stepper motor, that is unipolar stepper motor. So I will just drag down these devices onto the screen. Stepper motor, then ULN2003. Okay, I will just zoom this. So I will connect this to the port 2 of microcontroller. Connect to this. P2.1 to the second pin of ULN2003, P2.2 to the 3B pin, then P2.3 to the this pin. 1C connection is connected to first pin of stepper motor, 2C connection is connected to the second pin of the stepper motor, 3rd C is connected to the third pin of the stepper motor. You can call this as a third winding also, and this to the fourth winding. The middle two are nothing but the common connections. Okay, I cannot join this. Okay, so I have to make this connection over here, as this is common. We will connect over here. So this is common. We have to provide the stepper motor with 12 volt DC supply. So I will go into the generator mode, DC. You have to select this and you have to provide the DC supply. Just double click on this and you have to provide the 12 volt supply and just hit on OK. Then to work ULN2003 properly, we have to provide this common connection with power, that is 5 volt power. So I will go into the terminals mode and I will select for power. Just select the power and connect this to the common pin. The role of ULN2003 is to drive the stepper motor, because 8051 microcontroller pin cannot drive the stepper motor directly because of its high voltage and high current capability, as well as it acts as an opto isolator, as well it acts as an isolator which will not generate this back EMF, will not harm the 8051 microcontroller. So we will go for the stepper motors programs. So first of all, we will rotate the stepper motor in clockwise direction with the angle of 90 degrees. So this is the program for this. See here the sequence is, first of all we have to send 0CH value into the accumulator, send it to port P2, call some delay, send next value 06H, send it to port P2, call some delay 3H, 9H, likewise. So this program, I will just copy this program into my software MIDE51, from which I am going to generate the hex file. So file, new, I will copy that code over here. You have to save your file with .asm extension. I will provide some name to my file, suppose test1. This is the name of my file, .asm, and save your code. Now you have to build your program so that hex file will be generated. No error, hex file will be generated. You have to dump that hex file into the 8051 microcontroller. So here we will dump that code into the microcontroller. Okay, so I will just provide the path. The name of our file is test1. So just open this and just hit on OK. So now I will go for the simulation. You can see the stepper motor will be rotated by the angle of 90 degree in clockwise direction, 190, 270, 360, 90, 180, 270. Likewise, I can go for the stepper motor to rotate in anti-clockwise direction with 90 degree. Just we have to reverse the sequence. I have written the code for the same. I will stop this execution. Now I will go into that folder where I have written the code for the 90 degree step sequence. So I will just copy this. First of all, we will see about this. See, previously what we have done, we have given the sequence 0CH at the start, then followed by 06, followed by 3 and followed by 9. Now I have given the sequence in this manner, 09 first, then 03, then 06 and 0C. So that's why the stepper motor now rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So I will just copy this, will save into the MIDE, will save the code, will build the code and will build this into the stepper motor. Okay, so double click, the same code, same file we are using. So I will just run the simulation model, see the difference. Now it is rotating with minus 90 degree, minus 180, minus 270, minus 360, that is 0 degree. So right now stepper motor is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. This is called as full step sequence in anti-clockwise. That is, stepper motor is rotating in only just 4 steps. In order to rotate the stepper motor in 8 step sequence, we are having another code with us. So in order to rotate the stepper motor in anti-clockwise but with 45 degree, we have to send this sequence here: 08H, send it to port P2, then 0CH, 04H, 06H, 02H. For more details, you can refer the table which we have seen earlier. So just I will copy this, will take into the MID software, will save the code and will build the code. So hex file has been generated. Just you have to put that code into the microcontroller. The path is same as previous. So double click, I will just provide the same path and just you have to hit on the simulation. You can see now stepper motor 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, 315, 360 degree. So stepper motor is rotating with the angle of 45 degree but in clockwise direction. Now in order to rotate this in anti-clockwise direction, we can once again provide the sequence. I am having code related to that also. So this code, now the sequence is reverse: 09, then 01, then 3, 2, 6, 4, followed by C and followed by 8H. So I will copy this code, will write down into the MID1 software, save this file, build, no errors. Name of my file is test1. So I will build this file into the microcontroller now. Same path. So just you have to now see the difference. It is rotating with the minus 45, minus 90, minus 135, minus 180, minus 225, minus 270, minus 350, minus 360. That means it is rotating in anti-clockwise direction with half step sequence, that is with the angle of 45 degree. So you can refer for detailed working, you can refer my website wikinote.org. Do subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you and happy Wikinoting.